Okay, I have a baby Cuban finch here, and I'm gonna put a bang ring on him. Uh-huh. See how small the baby is? And I'm gonna use the sketch tape to put his foot through the ring, the bang ring. This is the ring bands that we're gonna put on the baby. And it's the first one that's gonna be used. These are new. It's gonna be the first one. He's gonna be the first one to wear one of 2016. That's the tape. It's not that sticky. To use for the ring band. It's much easier. He was kind of big, so it was kind of hard to put the ring band, but it still fits. It went through. And it's easy. See how fast and easy? Using a little bit of tape. Look at his ring band. his first little ring band.
Sitting.
Cuban Finch.
Day.
He's only a few days old.
5-7 days, no?
5-7 days, yeah. And look how beautiful he looks, all grown up, with his first ring band.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, and hope you enjoy watching the video.